Alright, now the thing is very simple. Press your brake. Okay, the car start.
Okay.
Power on aircon.
Okay. Oh no, push start button lah.
No push start, just brake only.
Oh, just brake.
Once you come back, you lock the car shut off.
Oh.
Alright, wait ah.
More like EX30 lah. EX30, Tesla. There's no...
Actually, most of the electric car.
Yeah.
Most of the electric car is like that.
But some electric cars have the push start button, so like technically it's on off the system. Okay, so telescopic. Okay. Okay, right.
Okay, you can turn your left. Okay, where is the this one? Press brake and press down. Yes, you can see here. Go up, reverse, press, parking.
Oh, Mercedes style.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, turn to your right. Indicator on this. Okay, turn to your right. And turn to your left.
Signal sound is on the...
Actually, we can reduce it.
Oh, this one. Oh, it's in right. It sounds it right?
Yes. Turn to your left.
Right.
Tengok road lah. Okay, all seat belt kena pakai, kalau tak ada dia bunyi.
So itulah bunyi.
Bagi tahu customer, siapa anak-anak di belakang semua kena pakai seat belt.
Tinggi ke dia punya tire pressure? 3,300.
Which one? That one tire pressure.
Tire pressure 300, tinggi ke?
Yes. Because it's 19 inches.
19 inch.
Okay, keep right. Keep right. The traffic light in front there. You U-turn. Silap lubang.
Silap lubang.
Then U-turn lah.
U-turn.
U-turn.
Oh, can U-turn here?
Yeah. Yes. So I want to feel the U-turn. So as a big car like this,
Okay.
and okay,
Oh, speed limit.
yes, I go to your left. I go to highway.
Here to test the acceleration, right?
Yeah, you can. Yes.
So we got 108 kilometers left of range.
Goes right.
Oh, sedar 110 lah. Laju.
Okay, you won't feel. It's a immediate response.
13. Lin kereta baru dah tak payah brake in kan kalau EV
Sikit.
tak payah brake in pay rate like 1000 km.
No, kereta ni kena datang 5,000.
5,000 kan.
Lepas tu kita lepas 5,000 atau 3 bulan. Lepas tu dia datang balik sampai 20,000.
Oh, okay.
Oh, dia boleh
Triplane lah.
Oh, betul lah.
Tak jatuh kan?
tak dapat.
Dia terbang. Where you take?
Yes, keep right, maximum keep right.
Acceleration 1, 2, 3.
Okay, next test drive jangan pakai yang ni punya road lah. Road ni jangan pakai, kita masuk sana, I bagi tahu. Kita bagi short distance.
Turun dekat Sungai Long, dekat
Yep.
dekat apa? Lagi rumah PMX tu.
Okay, sekarang comfort mode kita nak tukar ke sport mode.
Dekat berarti
Dia drive mode dia.
Keep left.
Sekejap, dia punya mode driving mana? Mode driving.
No, driving ini sport ni.
Sport. Atau tadi daripada tadi test ni. Tapi comfort.
Full dekat.
Noticeable kalau bagi signal kiri, sound signal tu daripada kiri. Kalau kanan, dia bunyi kat kanan. Macam kalau signal kiri, bunyi dia dari sini, speaker kiri.
Oh, sudah tahu.
So dia auto handbrake. So keluar dah dia off.
Kena keluar lock dulu kereta, lepas dia switch off.
Oh, okay.